Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Nali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm sharing with you this amazing crafty book that I made for Vivan 7 years ago. Yeah, I mean, it's crazy that I have not been able to share it on YouTube. I don't know how. But you know what? It's great that I'm sharing with you right now because I just went back to that time when I created it, and it was so happy to go through everything that I've made and brought back so many amazing memories. So guys, watch it and see if you love the idea and concept, how you can create, recreate, and add your own twist for your kids, nieces, nephews, or kids who are around you, for those who you want to build something. So I have used simple A4 size colored sheets and just punched some holes, completely DIY, wrote his name, used his own colors, and just put a ribbon, a bright ribbon. And I gave it to him as a gift. If you're giving it to somebody, just put it in a beautiful envelope, put a thread around it, and it's a beautiful gift memory book for them. This book is based on to the shows that my son used to watch while he was 0 to 5, the things that were introduced in terms of toys, books, and in terms of shows. So all of those things combined together, his lunchbox, the pieces that we were using, the characters that he was into. Let's dive in directly. Fisher Price. I am sure everybody knows about Fisher Price, and Fisher Price toys are something that you get as your first birthday gift. Somebody who's coming to see the baby, they give you a Fisher Price toy. So 0 to 1 was all about Fisher Price, and it's so lovely because I still remember him holding those toys and pressing the buttons to understand and to learn what's happening. The second one is 1 to 2 years. That's when you are singing songs, you're introducing music, and that's when we started learning rhymes. So, Little Baby Bum, Choo Choo TV, and this particular Wheels on the Bus. I'm telling you, this was a nightmare for me. But now, when I think of it, like I'm laughing over it. I used to sing this like 20 to 30 times, but he would keep saying it. Can you sing it again? Can you sing it again? Can you sing it again? We have learned almost all our rhymes from here, and we would enact together, we would jump, we would play, we would do all those things together. So it's such a fun moment to see. I took out these prints, and what I've done is I've just pasted on the paper, so very easy. You could add a lot of other things if you want. You can add some notes here if you want, but I think when I made it, I wanted to just keep it very, very simple and just very picture driven. So that's why I've not written much, just the year. The next one is 2 to 3 years old. When you see there's Mickey Mouse, there's Minnie Mouse, there's Donald Duck. So we were all introduced to these characters, and someone gifted us a Dr. McStuffin's book. One of my friend's daughters, she was into it, and she introduced Vivan in the book, and then we came to know about the character, and then we used to watch it every evening. Vivan was a very, very fussy eater, and hence to make him eat his meal there was a TV time, and Disney Junior played a very important role at that time. So that's how we were introduced to these characters during this age. Now, Pocoyo till date is our favorite. It says 2 to 5 because that's when it was made. Vivan is 12. I'm not telling my age, but let me just tell you guys, we as a family, we still watch it. So like we are so crazy about these characters. Vivan's third birthday cake was also Pocoyo. So all these 5 characters with Nina, Pocoyo, and Ellie and Pato, like we were a big fan. We are still a very big fan of them. Now, 2 to 4 years old, everybody knows Dora, and Dora was again introduced by my friend's daughter to us, and we learned so much about animals through that. And Gazoon, I don't know if you guys are aware about it. This used to be one hilarious program. I miss seeing it now, but we used to have absolutely fun time. So that was 2 to 4 years of age, and Blaze was 2 to 5, and this was his like absolutely favorite monster wheel character. His fourth birthday cake when we moved to US from Indonesia was based on Blaze. He had a puzzle, he had a bag, he had a hat, all based on Blaze. So I mean, just beautiful memory, right? For just as a parent, if I'm going back and I'm seeing, I am remembering sitting and watching with him, talking about it. And now 3 to 4 years old, these programs were just beautiful. Super Wings, yes, Sheriff Kali, and this was a program. I don't remember the name of this program anymore, but I remember this was a family where the kids were also part of the space theme. They would go and finish missions. They used to get stuck, but they used to work together as a family. Brilliant programs again, but this was his journey for 3 to 4. This is what he watched. And of course, then it was introduced Umizoomi and Lion Guard, that was 3 to 5 years old. Then Dr. Binok's show. You have seen a lot of Ivan's videos and a lot of informative topics that we learned was from this show. Like utmost, like anyone that I even meet today, I say, yeah, just watch Dr. Binok's show. Very crisp information, very good, like absolutely amazing. And we're still hanging on to Blaze, so it's still going on. Then we moved on to, of course, I think this was Jack, and oh my god, I don't remember the name now anymore. It's so crazy. But I know it was a program with the pirates, Mr. Hook and Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol was not for a very long time, but just for a little time. And we were still watching a lot of Blaze, and we were watching a lot of other programs. This is the age when Vivan was introduced to Pokemon, and he's still a big Pokemon fan. Vivan's dad started playing the Pokemon game, and there was a Pokemon toy which was given to him, and that's when the Pokemon love started. Sid the Science Kid was again one of our favorite programs at that time, and he used to watch them a lot. Well, we have PJ Masks, and again, I don't remember the name of them. You know what? I think would have been a great idea if I would have written something about the program now. Because looking back, I'm just looking at the pictures and the names here. I know we watched, but I don't remember the name. But yeah, this is what it is, guys. I think it's absolutely brilliant. If in terms of memory, in terms of just keeping a track of things like what your kids liked and how things were. If you love this video, guys, give me a thumbs up. And if you like this idea, make sure you leave a comment and tell me what you think about it, and would you want to make it for anyone in the family. Would be great to hear about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you hit the subscribe button.